Hello my dear viewers. Today in this video we will discuss a very important topic of chemical bonding, that is resonance. For this we will take an example of ozone molecule. To understand resonance, resonating structure and the phenomena of resonance. Let us consider ozone molecule and what are the possible structures for ozone molecule. For this, first of all, we draw the Lewis structures of ozone molecule. For this, calculate the total number of valence electron for ozone, and that should be 6 into 3, as one atom of oxygen contains 6 valence electron. So the total valence electrons in ozone molecule are 18, and the possible structure for ozone is, we draw 3 oxygen atoms and draw the single bond for skeletal structure of ozone, and this skeletal contains 2 bond. As there are 2 bonds, it means the 4 electrons are occupied in these 2 bonds. Now we have to complete all the valence electrons of each oxygen. For this, we know that each oxygen atom contains 6 electrons. In the central atom, as the central atom form 2 bond, therefore it contains 4 electrons, and the surrounding atoms, they have 6 electrons in their valence shell. Out of 6 electrons, one is used for bonding. Now the number of electrons left are 5 for each oxygen. By doing this, the central atom completes its octet, and one of the surrounding atom also completes its octet, and the third atom, it does not complete its octet. For completing its octet, if the central atom share its 2 electrons in bonding, then there is completion of the octet of the surrounding atom, that is oxygen. So the possibility is that in this structure the central atom donates its 2 electrons for bonding, so that it forms double bond with third oxygen. By doing so, the central atom acquires positive charge, and the surrounding atom, in which no electrons are shared, that acquires negative charge, as one atom in this molecule acquires 1 unit positive and other atom acquires 1 unit negative charge. Therefore the whole molecule is neutral in this structure. Here the 2 possibilities are there, that the negative charge may be acquired by the other oxygen, because these 2 oxygen are similar in nature. so that the double bond may be present with the other oxygen, or the negative charge may be present on the another oxygen. These two structures which are similar to each other, there is no difference in surrounding oxygens. These structures are known as resonance or resonating structures. These are similar to each other and they are having same energy. Hence, the resonating structures are defined as when a molecule cannot be represented by a single structure, but its characteristics properties can be described by two or more than two structure, then the actual is said to be resonance hybrid, or these structures are known as resonating structure or conical structures. The actual structure that exists in the molecule is in between the resonating structure. In resonating structures, the actual structure, this is known as the most stable hybrid structure, and the bond length of these structures is in between the conical structure, and the energy of most stable hybrid structure is less than all the resonating structures that are possible. Now, in these two structures, one bond is single bond and other is double bond. We know that the bond length of single bond is greater than double bond. In this, the bond length of double bond is 121 picometer and the bond length of single bond is 148 picometer. But in actual structure or the most stable resonating structure, the bond length is in between single bond and double bond. Means all the bond lengths are same. Here two types of bond are present in resonating structure, but in most stable resonating structure or most stable resonance hybrid, the bond length is approximate 1.5, that is 128 picometer. So one bond is single in all oxygens or all the three atoms, and other is half bond which is represented by dotted line. This dotted line shows that these two bonds are same in characteristics or having same bond length and same bond energy. This phenomena is known as resonance structure or resonating. We can draw the resonating structures of other molecule also, like ozone, that are benzene molecule, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, etc. Here the most stable structure is the last one, that is having lesser energy, or that energy is known as resonance energy, and this structure is known as resonance hybrid. There are some conditions for writing resonance structure, that are the contributing structure should have same atomic position. Another one is the contributing structures should have same number of unpaired electrons. Next one is the contributing structures should have nearly same energy, and in all contributing structures the like charges should not reside on adjacent atom. These are some conditions for writing resonance structures or resonating structure. In these structures, the most stable resonating structure is having lesser energy than conical structures. That's all from my side. I hope this concept of resonating structure is clear to all of you. Thank you and have a nice day.